Install AnyGo for Android app on your device and launch it. You need to install the latest Pokemon Go on your device. Click Install and then download APK. Once done, click on Install. It will take a while to install the game. Next, open AnyGo app and log into the game. Once done, click on Opened. Enter the specified location in the search box and click it. Hit Teleport on the map, and your location will be teleported there. Last, click on Open VR game to catch Pokemon in that place. To simulate GPS movement, select a random place on the map and hit walk. Your game character will follow the route. Click on the icon to check the game character in the game. You can also use the hover window to pause the movement or back to AnyGo for Android. Adjust the walking speed by sliding the progress bar at the top of the screen. Once completed, you can check the Pokemon around you in the game.